The Kardashev scale not only highlights the technical marvels civilizations could achieve, but it also emphasizes the importance of energy sustainability and the ethical ramifications that accompany such advancements. Humanity's quest for energy mastery could well determine our evolutionary trajectory, shaping not just our technologies but our very existence as a species. Each level of the scale invites deeper introspection about our role in the cosmos and the responsibilities we bear toward our planet and beyond. As we look toward the journey from a Type 1 to Type 2 civilization, we encounter both grand aspirations and formidable challenges. The most pressing of these challenges is our current reliance on finite energy sources, which underscores the need for innovations in renewable technologies and energy efficiency. As we continue this journey toward energy mastery, it becomes crucial to recognize that our advances in technology must align with a broader vision of sustainability. Achieving Type 1 status requires not only a shift in how we generate energy but also how we consume it, promoting a culture of conservation and balance with nature. The transition will necessitate building global coalitions dedicated to renewable energy initiatives, ensuring that all inhabitants of Earth can benefit from the advancements we make. As humanity considers its energy future, it becomes essential to explore the various pathways leading to sustainable energy practices. The development of renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and geothermal can provide the foundation for a Type 1 civilization. These technologies not only offer clean alternatives to fossil fuels but also foster resilience against climate change, enabling communities to thrive in harmony with the environment. Furthermore, investment in nuclear fusion represents a pivotal advancement in our pursuit of limitless energy, presenting opportunities to meet soaring demands while mitigating ecological footprints. The pursuit of energy mastery will not only define our technological advancements but equally test our ethical frameworks. As we innovate and harness new energy sources, we must remain vigilant in understanding their impact on society and the environment. Each stride towards harnessing wind, solar, or even nuclear fusion carries with it responsibilities. We must prioritize equitable access and safeguard against potential abuses of power. This period of transformation will require us to rethink our relationship with energy consumption and the natural world, aiming for a balance that nurtures both progress and preservation. By cultivating a spirit of global cooperation, we can ensure that our transition to a Type 1 civilization yields benefits for all. As we share knowledge, resources, and innovations, we will lay the foundation for a sustainable future that aligns with the ethical imperatives of our time. The challenge lies not merely in advancing technology but in fostering a culture that values the interconnectedness of life, and ultimately, our planetary stewardship. In this context, as we consider our advancement toward a Type 1 civilization, we must recognize the pivotal role of education and public awareness in fostering a culture of sustainability. By integrating energy consciousness into educational curricula, we can inspire a generation that values resource conservation and technological ethics. Furthermore, facilitating open dialogues about the ethical implications of energy consumption will empower individuals to make informed choices that positively impact our environment and society. By engaging communities in sustainable practices, such as solar energy adoption and energy-efficient solutions, we will not only contribute to achieving Type 1 status but also cultivate a shared commitment to our planet's well-being and future prosperity. As humanity embarks on this intricate journey toward a Type 1 civilization, we must also confront the multifaceted implications of our technological advancements. Each step forward presents not only opportunities but the potential pitfalls of energy exploitation. The lessons learned from past environmental challenges should guide our approach, reinforcing the need for responsibility in energy management that prioritizes ecological balance and social equity. As we stand on the threshold of monumental change, the urgency of reimagining our energy systems has never been clearer. The transition from a Type 0.72 civilization toward a Type 1 status calls for innovative thinking and a redefined sense of purpose. With the advancements in technology, humanity is presented not just with the challenge of harnessing energy but also the imperative to do so ethically and sustainably. Each renewable source we develop, be it solar panels on rooftops or wind farms spanning the horizon, needs to embrace the principle of respect for nature and collaboration among all life forms. Thus, as this journey unfolds, humanity must navigate the intricate web of opportunities while remaining vigilant about our impact on the world, ensuring that every step leads to a more harmonious existence with our planet. As humanity stands at this crucial juncture, there is a pressing need to cultivate a visionary mindset that not only prioritizes energy advancements but also acknowledges the broader implications of our actions. Our endeavors should reflect a commitment to integrating technology with ethical stewardship, promoting practices that foster resilience and adaptability in the face of environmental challenges. Emphasizing the potential of collective effort, we can illuminate the pathways towards sustainable growth, guiding our civilization through the complexities of energy harnessing, a future where innovation and responsibility coalesce harmoniously. Ultimately, embracing this holistic approach will enable us to truly evolve as a Type 1 civilization, bringing forth a more sustainable and equitable planet for generations to come. As we advance in our energy pursuits, collaboration across nations becomes vital, fostering dialogue on innovations to create a sustainable world where technology serves humanity's best interests. The realization of our energy potential through collective efforts highlights not only technological advancements but also the necessity for ethical considerations. As we aspire to become a Type 1 civilization, we reaffirm our commitment to sustainability and responsibility, guiding humanity toward a future that is resilient, equitable, and harmoniously interconnected with the universe. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.